Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to earn PayPal money 100% free, so stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. And before I share with you this free PayPal method, I just want to say that a lot of people don't know why I share videos like this. And the reason why is because I want to help you. I want to help people create their own economy because that's what I actually, have done. I have done for myself. And if, in case you didn't know me, let me go ahead and share with you a little bit about myself. I'm able to work from home. I'm able to be here with my wife. I do other things too. So I'm also a hairstylist. I'm an internet entrepreneur. I'm a freedom artist because I help people create the life that they want to live, right? And that's pretty much freedom. So if you're into entrepreneurship, making money online, or anything that has to do with creating success on the internet, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification. So to tell you a little about myself, not too long ago, I didn't have a clue about creating prosperity on the internet. All I knew was that something needed to change. My relationship with my wife, my lifestyle, and overall my life was being drained by constant stress. This was years ago. But then one day I decided to say that enough was enough, and I went online to look for solutions, to earn income. And again, this is not just about making money. This is pretty much about creating your dream lifestyle. It's about you making money so you can live the life you want to live. Because when time and money is not an issue, that's what creates freedom, right? So I'm helping people create their own economy, and I'm helping people to be self-sufficient. And this is what I'm here sharing this video with you. So with this free method here, you're gonna learn how to pretty much get money deposited into your PayPal account absolutely free, and anybody can do this. You don't have to be a techie person, so this is completely grammar proof, and let me show you. So let's go ahead and get to it. First thing you want to do, you want to go to a website called jazeen.com. Right, as you can see, there's jazeen.com, and this website actually pays you for every purchase you make and influence online. Okay, so it's pretty cool because you're not just getting paid for for doing something that that most people don't do. This is something that most people do. Is pretty much purchase. People like shopping online all the time, or you don't even have to shop. You can actually influence people to go to a link, right? And when they make a purchase, then you get paid. So you being like the middle person. So for example, let's say, I'm just gonna give you an example. Let's say somebody's pipes breaks right in their house. So that person doesn't know anything about plumbing, and then let's say you know somebody that knows about plumbing. So because you know somebody that knows about plumbing, the person's gonna ask you, "Hey, do you know anybody that knows plumbing? I got a pipe to fix at home." So what you normally do, you go and refer that person to the plumber that right? So this could be for anything. So except that the plumber might not be paying you for the referral. But with this method right here, you actually, if you're not shopping to earn money, to get money deposited into PayPal, you can actually be the middle person, and you're being rewarded for the referral. If you watch, let's say you watch a good movie, right? You go to the movie theater, and you just saw this great movie, and you're telling people about it. You're referring people to that movie, right? To that movie theater to go watch that movie, to go check it out. Except the movie theater is not paying you for the referral. So what I teach people online is actually how to get rewarded for for even referring people to good to something that's going to help them out, right? So if you like helping people out, you can make tons of money on the internet. With this method right here, it's absolutely free. So let's go ahead and get to it. So as I said, Yazeen pays you for you referring people to to major brands, or it pays you for you shopping, right? How cool is that? So as you can see, this is how it works. So you can get paid to shop. So as I said, Yazeen pays you cashback rewards on everything you buy online, and provides the current deals and coupon codes for the top brands and stores. So if you don't want to shop and get rewarded for that, I mean, I don't know who doesn't like shopping, right? You can just simply get paid to promote. So Yazeen also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand's deal and coupon page with others, and your influence generates sales. Okay, so I'm going to show you how that works in a bit. and then you can get paid fast, right? So Yazin sends you money directly to your PayPal account as soon as we are paid, or as soon as as soon as Yazin gets paid by the brands and stores, they will deposit money into your, PayPal account. No minimums and no fuzz. Okay, so no doubt about it. They'll pay you as soon as the brands pay them. Then they'll get you the cut. As a thank you for referring people to their network, right? So this is the few brands that Yazin offers. So they got Walmart, giftcards.com, the Home Depot, Verizon, Groupon, Spanx, Wine. So you can view over 4,317 brands here that you can choose from. So pick the one that you like. If you like a specific brand, you like shopping in a specific brand, pick the one that you like. They got QuickBooks too. I believe they got stuff for dogs, like this Bark Box right here. So if you have a dog and you like, you like shopping for things for your dog, you can go in there and be rewarded for it. Or if you know other people that have dogs, you can then promote, the deals to to anybody that's looking for a good deal for their dog, right? For their dog, food or anything that BarkBox offers. Okay, so I'm just giving you here an example, right? So so those are the brands that Yazin works with, and this is just a few of them. They have over 4,317 brands you can check out on here, and guess what? You're gonna get paid. All right, so this is how it works. So now that you know about Yazin, here's what you're going to do. You want to go ahead and click on join now. Once you hit that button, all you got to do is just fill out this form right here. Again, it's free to use. So, choose the username, enter your email, password, confirm password, then hit register now. So what's going to happen is that you're going to get an email, to confirm your account. And once you get an email and you confirm, then your account will be activated. Once your account is activated, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks just like this. And as you can see, they have all the major brands here that you can actually start earning money from. And I can get paid to either promote or you can get paid to shop. Okay, so you can choose either HostGator, HP. So the bottom line is that you choose a brand that you want to work with and that you like, and then this is what you want to do. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and because I like shoes, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a brand that sells shoes. So I'm pretty sure they have Nike here somewhere. There it is. So I'm gonna hit this button here called promote to earn, because I'm gonna promote it to other people that love shoes too. And I'm probably want to go to shop, for some shoes and see what, what deals they have too, and then get rewarded as well. So as soon as I hit promote to earn, it's gonna generate a link here, and this is also called an affiliate link. So once you generate that link, that's a link that you can use on different social media platforms, and that people can pretty much go to and get deals. And guess what? When they buy something, right? When they buy that, you will be rewarded. You will get paid. Money will be deposited straight into your PayPal account. No fuss about it. All right. So you want to take this link right here, and you want to pretty much pick a platform. The platform that I highly recommend is Instagram, because with Instagram you can actually put a link in your bio, and people that click that link and purchase stuff, they're gonna, you're gonna get paid that way, right? So, but what if you don't have a following? What if you don't have, an audience? You don't have people on Instagram, or you don't have an Instagram account? Okay, so what you want to do, if you don't have an account, you want to create an Instagram account and pretty much start following people that are into shoes. Like, here's a good example. This is an account here called Sneaker Steel, and this person, they post about shoes. So you can see they got content, and guess what? They also have a link. I'm pretty sure there's a link for people to go to get some good deals on shoes. Okay, so this is a good example. He has a lot of followers, but again, if you're starting out, you want to create an Instagram account, or if you have one already and you don't have that many followers, this can work for you. Just start creating content. And a good place where you can get free content is this website called pexels.com. There you go. So this is pexels.com, and all you got to do is you can search for free photos on here. Let me show you very quick. Say let's search for Nike shoes, because we're going to specify Nikes. It could be any shoes really, but let's go ahead and search for Nike shoes. As you can see, they got photos that you can use for free. You can download this photo to your computer and or to your phone, and you can upload this to Instagram and start creating content just like this guy is doing right here, just creating daily posts on on shoes, and start building your followers. So start following people that are into shoes. So when you go to search right here, just just typing shoes, okay, and then just start following people that are into shoes as well. And what's going to happen when you start posting content, people are going to see that, the people that you follow, and then guess what, you're gonna start building your audience, and then people are going to notice your link. You can always put maybe a call to action on your post saying, hey, you want to get some good deals on shoes, check out my link in my bio, just giving you an example. Okay, so that's all you got to do if you don't have a following. If you do have a following already, then all you got to do is pretty much start promoting your link right on your bio. If you're promoting something else already, just you can start a brand new Instagram account, and it's pretty much it's going to be all about shoes, right? So that's just an example. You can pick any going back to the zine here, you can pick any other brand right here that you want to promote, and then just start an account specifically on what that brand focuses on. Once you pick your brand and you hit promote, so let's say we're gonna pick Coinbase right here, which is cryptocurrency. If you're into cryptocurrency, you can actually get rewarded for promoting Coinbase. Or maybe you are into let's say appliances, so you can get like Home Depot. Let's say you want to promote Home Depot to people that want to build stuff. You want to take that link on here, and that's what you're going to start promoting on the platform. So again, we mentioned that's Instagram in this case. And so once you're ready to do that, your last step is to go over here to your account, hit edit profile. Then what you do, you fill up this form right here, and first name, last name, and your address. And then scroll down, and right here is where you put your PayPal email. So make sure you do this, because once you do that, then when people hit your link and they purchase something, the money that is going to go to you is going to be deposited into your PayPal account. So you just want to make sure you have the email that is linked to your PayPal account. All right. Okay, so hope you love this free method of making PayPal money. And if you get value from this video, make sure you leave your comments below. And if you want to check my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income on the internet, that way you can create your own economy, the same resources, the method I use, go ahead and check out that link, or visit my website at succeedwithmichael.com, and you're going to be able to access some cool resources on there. Other than that, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.